My name is Pratyush and I am from Khalilabad. I am BCA and now I am coming directly to the topic that co-education is good or bad. So according to me, co-education is a system where boys and girls learn together in the same school. So it is a very good thing because when we talk or other opposite gender, we remove the hesitation and shyness and we develop mutual understanding between each other. And later on, like when we go for the job or any other business purpose, so there will be opposite gender. So that will remove by this co-education only. So and they will develop the mutual understanding and there will be there will be no shyness or hesitation or tension. But in this world, like there are disadvantages also. Some people might get distracted due to opposite gender. They feel shyness and they feel like that I am talking to girls, so they might be distracted because as we also know that we are adults, so men also think that I should take advantage of the girls. So they will feel like that. But if they maintain the discipline and their teachers and parents behavior is good, they if they try to make their son and daughter how to behave with others, if they teach them, so it is a totally a good system, co-education. So according to me, as my perspective is that I totally respect a girl, and for me there is nothing to build up any relationship. I just want to talk. So I feel like that it is a very good system. And whenever I talk to like any girl or anybody, I just give my views and I stay positive, and I don't feel like that others should get attached. And if they are getting attached or I am getting attached, so I will be simply saying that we are good friends and I am here to just discuss. So that's all. So it
Okay.
is a very good system if boys and girls are learning together.
Yeah, it's you
That's
already
all.
covered all the point. I think like whatever the actually when we are doing a study co-ed, so that time actually people are also distracted because they are when they are actually become a
Mm.
adult. That time distraction is happen actually. It's not it's a it's a human being can say because if you are
Yes.
growing and you are adult that time distraction is happen but we have to be disciplined for that. But if you are getting good guidance of from your teacher, from your parents, so distraction can be avoided by that. And if you are not following the
Yes.
discipline and if you are not doing the right thing, some people are thinking like whatever they are doing that is the right. So I think a teacher have take the responsibility for that whatever study going on in their school and so they have to
Yes.
balance on their children what they are doing, what curricular activity we have to do, whatever the curricular activity we are doing. So that is the good way, like that way like they are also socialized. Like sometimes when like I also done a study initially in girls college, not a co-ed college, but in my master degree I have done a co-ed college. So I got like sometimes it's happen like if you are studying only in girls college, so you are always hesitate to towards to the male person because you are not getting the environment, you are thinking like what they are thinking about to you. And sometimes you want to grow but you are not getting up the grow because you are only facing only girls, so you are always hesitant to
Yes.
become a socialize. You always thinking like I will be whatever I'm saying like I'm right or I'm wrong. that thing is happen, I think. So it's the immense change for everyone. Like if you want to change your perspective, so education is also the good way to it's a immense way to can change the world and to change your personality and change your perspective by that. And but nowadays like people who are thinking like they are sending their children only in girls college, so they can't be do bad in their life. But I think it's a leap of faith. Like we
Yes.
have you are following the leap of faith, so you are not sending your children in the quiet college. But everyone should be trust of their child, and you have to give the guidance to them whatever they are doing, that is right or that is wrong. In that way, like you can get the good education of their children, because they will be boost their confidence from the quiet education. But if they are living in the they are doing in the only girls college and only boys college, so that time they are not getting socialized, they are not getting confident from talking to others, other opposite gender, like that. So I think we
Yes.
have to work on that. We had seen like in a blazes, there is the like people are prevalent about that. Like yeah, we had seen many people are prevalent about that. Like if you are doing sending your children in the girls college or girls boys school, so they will be growing up. But I think yeah, I consider myself, I believe that like you have to send your children in the co-ed. They will get more confidence from there, because without that they are not getting confidence,
Yes.
and they always hesitate to talk with others. So it's amuse also to them, like when they are going to the co-ed college. So people are also amusing to them to make happiness, because without that they are not making happy, they feel always hesitant. So it's so for the socialization, for removing your hesitation. Now like every people are in quiet college or quiet school, so that is the good way to boost their confidence. They are growing up, but we are it's our responsibility, we have to give the good guidance, whatever the guidance we are giving, and we have to balance on them what they are doing and what activity going on in their school. If they are coming from their school, so we have to balance on them, we have to follow their activity also whatever they are doing. In that way we can give the good discipline to them, and we can good guidance to them. So that way like I think overall
Yes.
co-ed education is the good, because your children is growing better than single like neutral, like when they are only the girls college or girls school was there, so they are getting better confidence from the quiet college or quiet school. That
Yes.
is my point of view. Because but we nowadays like in blaze people, they are always straining about to they want to send their children only in a small like single
Yes.
girls school or boys school, like that. But we have to avoid that, because now country has been technology has been changed, so we also we change according to the time. Yeah, that is my point of view about that.
Yes, we have to be independent,
Yes.
and there should be freedom for the girls also. But the problem is that girls, when if they are studying with boys also, like in the co-education school, but after some time they also feel like that I should talk with this boy, so they will also feel like that. There might be some distraction or shyness if boys say something. So what they will do? So this happens also. So they have to be silent at that time, and so this is the problem we face in the COVID when boys and girls learns together. But I think the disadvantage is very less, and if boys and girls are learning together, so it will be good for the future also.
Yeah, now actually people are learning so many things are now, like I'm talking to you, So we are both, gender is opposite, but
Yes.
we are learning so many things from each other, right? So if we are not doing
Yes.
the co-ed education, so how will you boost your confidence? For boosting your confidence, you
Yes.
have to be co-ed, I think. But I think like when people are,
Yes.
I consider like if you are growing adult, or like you are more growing, and again like you are growing your life, so that time like distraction has been changed. But it's moreover the time, it will, everyone know that what we have to do in their life, what is the right and what is the wrong. So that comes over the time. It's not like when you are become an adult, that time distraction it's happen with everyone. But shyness is also removable by the co-ed education. But if you are studying
Yes.
only in girls college or boys college, so that time you are always shy about two opposite gender. You think like what I am saying, what they think about me. So that is the good way to
Yes.
removable your shyness, your boosting your confidence, and you can better study. And we are getting the healthy competition also by that. Because nowadays like who are living, who are studying co-ed, so we are getting good competition of that. Because now equality is also showing by that. Like if you are studying in the co-ed, so you can see there is the like equality is also showing the gender. Like if you are doing study, so they both knows that like what is the value of the both person. Like before that, in older time, like people are all pharmacist time, like people are always thinking like we are like a female person is also, and all female person is can't do anything, but male person can do
Yes.
everything. But now thinking is always thinking has been differently changed. Because they are thinking like you are like a female or women, sorry, women's and men's both are equal, because they are doing competition to each other also. Because
Yes.
female are also getting higher position nowadays. They are equally facing the men's also. So that is why like co-ed education is good, I think. Say, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
So, do you want to ask any question? I think it's a brief intro about that, like how co-ed education is good or not. Yeah, do you have any
Yeah.
questions? So you can ask
Yeah.
also.
For me, it is good.
Yeah.
What I can say,
So,
because
have
I
you done study
talk
in a
with other
co-ed?
person.
Okay. Sorry for interrupt you. Have you?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
I am a co-ed student. I studied in St. Thomas Inter College from the nursery medium. So
Okay.
there are boys and it's a totally English medium and ICSC board.
Okay.
So from the nursery and to till ninth class I have studied, but after ninth there was some problem like money problem. So I
Mm-hmm.
discontinued my study and my brother studied there for and he completed his high school. So I totally know like how to talk with girls and from the beginning. And after that, like when I joined English Institute, spoken English classes, so there are boys and girls. So I talk with them in English. So I have no problem in talking with anyone. But what happened, like after some time, when they started to talk with me, they want to improve their English. And after some time, they don't feel like that. Means the problem was that parents and other person in their family they feel like that he is getting attached. As I told that this society is always blames the boys, so that thing happened. But if other person wants to talk, she called me. I gave the topic and she was happy that this person is talking with me in English and she is improving. But my question is that why she is not talking with me now? This is the problem. What I have done wrong that I make them comfortable to speak English well, but I don't know what was happened. So it's the mentality of other people. I can't blame anyone because the society feels like that boys and girls in the adult age they can only talk for little time.
Okay.
So, but I am very thankful to you that you are a teacher and we are talking. So I feel very much happy
Okay, actually, I'm become
that
a
I
teacher
am not.
from 1 month only, not more than that, because I also
Yes,
learning this language.
yes,
Language simultaneously, I start taking the classes. But you are saying actually now when we are talking about the parents and about to the blaze people, so they are thinking if you are talking when their children are talking with the opposite gender, so they are always thinking
yes,
why you are talking too much about to him, but they are not thinking, they are learning from them.
yes,
Nowadays people are this language is the way to communicate. By that you can learn this language, but without communication how will you learn this language? So that is the way you can learn
yes.
this communication. But
That
what
is
what
that
people
is
are thinking, that they are the parents, they was thinking you are talking with the male person, so maybe you
yes,
might be in wrong situation, so that is why they are just thinking of that. But you just balance on him or her,
yes,
you think if
yes,
they are talking, so they are learning this language, so they are trying to talk in English, because without talking how will they will learn the English? Nowadays people are who want to learn
yes,
this language, they are going to the tuition and they are going to the classes. So but they are going to the tuition and classes, by that way they can't learn this language only. They have to use this language on a regular basis, try to talk with other people also. If they are getting the chance in school, so they have to try to talk with them. If they are not getting the environment, so how they will speak? Because in family parents don't know this language some, so kids are not getting the environment na, so we have to give the environment to them. They can talk to anyone, but we have to aware of that what they are talking to each other. We have to know that whenever they are talking, so you just give the freedom, but we have to aware of that what he is talking from whom, and she is talking from whom. By that way you can know, and you can balance on your children, and you can give the freedom also by that. Because when we are just holding your, always you can't hold your children hand, because some after time you have to give the freedom to them na. So when they will be
yes,
become adult, so you have to give the co-ed education also. But you have to be aware of that, when where they are going, what they are doing, and from whom they are talking. So whatever they are talking, you just balance on them and just try to you can tell to them also what is the right and what is the wrong. But when they are adult, they know that what is the right and what is the wrong. But we are only the give the
yes.
guidance, we can't hold always their hand. So our
We
responsibility, yeah.
can only give the guidance and we can't force them
Yes, yes.
to talk with anyone.
Like if
It's
you are
totally
holding,
depend on them.
like if you are
Yes,
holding the hands always, so it's not possible na. When you are not there, so who will be hold their hair, their hand? So for that you have to give the liberty, give the freedom to them, so that way they can do anything in their life. If you are always holding their hands, so they can't grow up. Because we have to give the freedom or liberty to that, they can do anything in their life, but we have to give the guidance, for support, we are always with you. So you, whatever you are doing, you just take the decision and think first. Whatever you are doing, so you just think first, then you can take the decision, because it's your life. Whatever you are doing the wrong, so your life will be spoiled. Because when they will be become an adult, that time they are not thinking about their future, they are thinking about the present time. But they are thinking about the future, so we have to tell them, if you will be good, if you will be growing, if you want to become a good future, so for that you have to study well. You don't be distracted by the other thing. So that is the good way for give the good education and good guidance of our children. That is my point of view about that. Yeah. Yes, sir, Pratyush.
yeah,
So
same thing. Yes, same thing. I also feel like that. That it's a good thing and we should support this thing. And
Okay, Pratyush sir, so like are you living in Delhi, right? Or Noida?
yeah, I am in Greater Noida.
Okay. So like you are living there, like you are working something like or only teaching you are doing?
No, only teaching like this.
Okay. That's wonderful. So do you have any question for me? I think we are running on the out the of the time. 20 minutes is almost.
No, ma'am, actually, I have no question, and I have completed my view, and I think it's good thing that
Yeah, yeah.
others should also uh,
L-
learn in the COVID and develop their future.
Yes, yes, yes. I totally agree with you, and thank you for becoming a part of my channel so that I can create a good video for my viewers. They can learn so many things from my channel because I take a topic daily basis.
You can
So
upload.
yes, yes,
Yes. Yeah, like I feel like that if I will sit in the sun and there are many people, there will be background noise. That's why I sent the message.
yeah, it's
So
okay, not an issue.
you will face a problem. So I came here and there is no sun and nobody is here. So I completed half an hour talking
Thank
and
you so
I
much for
think it's
being.
good conversation between you and
Yes, yes,
me.
nice conversation with you, and it's a insightful conversation so people can learn. What
Yes.
some people are thinking like they are sending their children in the girls' school or boys' school, so they can avoid of that, and they will send their children on the in the co-ed school. Yeah, that's an insightful conversation with you. Thank you so much for being a part of my
Yeah,
channel.
the thing is like that. That, I am sitting in the park. There are old person. There are kids. Everybody is playing. They are going here and there,
Yeah.
moving. And one of my friends came and she sent me message that we will play badminton or not. I just told them like wait for some time.
Okay, okay.
Like
Enjoy your
facial
day.
expression I told them.
Yes, yes. You can
Okay.
enjoy your day and